Ford Philippines continues to bring the showroom directly to shoppers this year. The 9th annual Ford Island Conquest is officially underway with its first run at the Alabang Town Center on February 20 to 22. The event is an interactive, scaled-up experience featuring the brand's full local lineup headlined by the all-electric Mustang Mach-E.
Okay, so we're here at the Alabang Town Center for the first Ford Island Conquest for the year for the Ford Group Philippines. What we have in store is actually, of course, we're displaying our full lineup headed by the Mach-E, and of course our big three products, which is the Everest, the Ranger, and the Territory. We have also provided special discounts for each product here on display for those that will be coming in, test driving, and as well as reserving their units. There's also a lot of freebies in store for the customers. Well, the brand aims to be more customer-centric, so we're looking forward to providing or enhancing the experience towards the brand.
That customer-centric focus means better access and big deals. Buyers can score roughly 500,000 pesos in savings on the Mach-E, instant 20,000 peso cash discounts for on-site reservations, and a chance at 100,000 pesos in pick-up price cash discounts. Beyond the mall, Ford is rolling out mobile showrooms and service units to reach customers across North and South Luzon, with Visayas and Mindanao next on the map.
Well, there are new products coming our way. I can't say when, but definitely it's something that will excite the crowd and further solidify the positioning of Ford here in the Philippines.
Moving forward, Ford is expanding its footprint with new training centers and pop-up stores across the Philippines. You can also catch the next major appearance at the Philippine International Motor Show from June 4 to 7, 2026.